Hey, this is Brian and Raul here today to show you a little quick tip on some extra things you can do on your install to really tie it all together and make it look like a real professional job. Whenever you put the cover on, whether it's a factory cover with leather on the front, vinyl side, or all vinyl, whatever it is, using steam to smooth out the cover afterwards makes a really big difference. So this cover is on here. You can see there's a lot of rippling and stuff around through here, and there's these bolsters here. We're just going to take a steamer, and we're going to start steaming it out, and we can really start to smooth the material out and get a lot of the ripples and stuff out of it.
You can also use a heat gun. The reason we like to use steam is because there's less of a chance of you actually damaging the vinyl from overheating it. But if you don't have a steamer, like I said, you can carefully use a heat gun and kind of use the same process as long as you go away. What Brian's going to do is going to evenly warm up all of it, and then we're going to massage all the wrinkles out.
And you can use just a regular garment steamer, it doesn't have to be a big commercial one like this. You can get, 20, 30 bucks at Walmart, steamer will work.
You can already see a lot of them coming out without even massaging them out. You do want to be careful that if you're steaming it, it is going to get the material pretty hot, so kind of just give it a feel before you start doing that. You don't burn your hands. If you do end up using a heat gun, just be careful around the carpet areas of the seat covers, just because a lot of times the carpet will melt.
Yeah, it'll drop really quick, so try to kind of shield off the areas if there's carpet. So it doesn't hit it to draw it up like a raisin. See a big difference in that already. This other side.
If you are getting a lot of wrinkling as well and you steam it, you still have a lot of wrinkles, it could be that you just need to reset your anchor points and give the cover a little bit of a stretch. A lot of them, if it's your first time installing a cover, it's kind of difficult, a little tedious. But with a little bit of time massaging a lot of the vinyl and leather out, you reset your anchors, you can get it looking pretty professional.
Yeah, if we had a lot of big creases in here, we'd come up, undo the bottom clip, and unvelcro this strip here. We come up underneath and pull the cover down and reset the velcro all the way back down it. Now with leather surface, I would steam it and then I come back with the heat gun and I pretty much dry out all the water with the heat gun, and that'll really help tighten the leather up onto the surface too. This is all vinyl, so it gets really pliable. We'll stretch it down. Kind of pulling the leather over the side, pulling the vinyl down the side, pull the slack down.
You can see it makes a huge difference.
Big difference there. So use vinyl on leather covers, vinyl covers, anything, use steam and heat gun. It'll smooth it out quite a bit.
Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to follow us on social media and on the links below. And then remember always, if you have a question, feel free to hit us up in the comments, and who knows, maybe we'll make a video on it.